What's so funny?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be on this girly-ish Joker Halloween look, and I'm so excited to show you guys how I did this. If you guys didn't already know, I upload every single week. Like I have a video every single week. Hey, let's get started. So I'm gonna pick up my face paint. This is the Snazaroo kit, like a kids kit, and then I have my white one from last year, and I also have my Nye Nose Scar Wax, and I use this tool to basically apply it. So I make a little long piece like this and I apply it on my skin, and it gets super sticky, so you have to be super careful. And then with the tool, I'm going to blend out the bottom edge of the wax so it sticks onto our skin. And while I'm doing that, I'm also holding on to the wax because it will fall off. And then with the other end of the tool, I'm going to basically slice the scar. So we have two scars going on. I'm going to pick up my Snazaroo white face paint and try not to move, girl. That shit will fall right off. I'm going to wet my Snazaroo with water, pick up a flat sponge, and I'm kind of like scrunching my face so we could get like authentic wrinkles and stuff like that, so it looks somewhat scary. I'm going to put it all over my face. And then when it comes time to the scar, I get super close to it, and I thought the sponge was a little bit too big, so I went in with a little brush so I could get super into detail with the scar. I'm going to do like the little flaps of the scar on the outside, but do not put white on the inside of the scar because that's where we want it to get bloody. And then I'm going to pick up black eyeshadow, and I'm going to kind of contour out my cheekbones with this shadow. And then I'm also going to snatch my jawline. And the beauty of this look is it doesn't have to be perfect. It's supposed to look like messy and gory. So if you mess up, just look at it as a little benefit because it's not supposed to look perfect. And then I'm going to add like little wrinkles with the black shadow. I'm going to smoke out my under eye with the black so we look all evil and shit. And then I'm going to get Snazaroo face paint and make the triangle on top of our brow. I'm going to fill it in, and then I thought it wasn't blue enough, so I'm going to go into my James Charles palette, pick up this blue right here, and I'm going to pat it on top of the face paint. And then I'm going to pick up Kylie Cosmetics Kymajesty. It's a liquid lipstick, and I'm going to add it on top of the blue because it has like little chunks of glitter in it. So I thought, why not make it a little bit girly? And then I'm going to go in with the blue face paint and make dark circles under my eye. I'm going to kind of have it drop down so you can see I'm extending the line. And then I'm going to add a little bit more of black shadow. Now go in with a super light hand. You don't want to make it too dark. And then I'm going to go on top of the blue with the James Charles palette blue shade. I thought that the triangle should be a little bit more complete, so I'm going to make it super even. I'm going to go over my brow hair. And then I'm going to go in with the shadow once again. And then I'm going to get the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lip and just fill it in so it looks like a perfect triangle. I'm also going to add some of that lipstick in the little drop that I made on my face. And add it on my brows also. And then I'm going to outline the little dark circles under my eyes with the Kylie Cosmetics liquid lip. And then I'm going to get the red all watery and start lining out my lips. Now, the Joker has a very like distinct smiley lip. I just wanted to make it a little bit more curvier and kind of like more like voluptuous lips, so that's exactly what I did. Girl, overline them lips, okay? You need to do this to make the Joker smile nice and big. And then I wanted to make it kind of like bloody and gory and scary, so I extended out the face paint on the chin, and then I'm gonna go into the scar with the red face paint just so it adds a little bit more red, so when we put the blood it comes out looking more natural. Time for the brows. I'm gonna make a circle and then I'm gonna kind of just wing it out. He has super short brows, so we're gonna make 2 of them. And then I'm also going to put little lines so it looks like it's dripping blood. Time for the gore. I love this part. I'm gonna get my fake blood, fill it into my scar. I am going to go back and forth with the blood because it just wasn't enough for me. And then I'm going to pick up the Kylie Cosmetics Mary Jo K liquid lip just so it's more red and stays on longer. I'm going to fill all of the lip in. Top and bottom, girl. And then I'm going to get the blood, whatever is on my brush, and just kind of add some more on the chin. And then I'm going to extend the drop that we made under my eye all the way down, almost touching my chin. And then I'm going to go in with the shadow. And now it's time for the little nose. I'm going to make a little circle on my nose. And then I'm going to pick up my NYX white liner and I'm just going to give it more of like a clowny, cartoony look by adding some details on the nose, on the brows, under my eyes, just so it has a little bit more dimension. And then I'm going to go into the black shadow and add a little bit of the shadow underneath my real lip just so it looks a little bit more 3D and dimensional. Add some more under my eyes. As you guys can see, I go back and forth with this a lot because I feel like what I have isn't enough, so I just keep on going back and forth. Now time for the lashes. I got my So Extra Miami lashes and then I'm going to go in with red liner and put it in my waterline so I look super like evil and tired. I'm gonna add that little white mark on my lip, and now time for the hair. I'm gonna get this flat sponge and add the white face paint on my hair. I didn't want to go in with a spray because I got kind of scared, like what if that doesn't come out or it's kind of hard to come out. I know this is water-based, super easy. You could literally wipe it off and it will come off. So I decided to put it in my hair. And of course you can't go straight to green because green is not gonna go on top of blonde-ish, brownish hair. So you gotta put a white base and then go in with the green. Now I'm gonna pick up a different sponge and go in with the green all over my hair. This was so much fun, by the way. It was super easy to apply. And now I'm gonna go back in with the blood and add some more. I go back and forth a lot in this video because I just want more. So I also use the blood to kind of extend out the smile. Let's say you didn't have enough wax or you didn't put enough and you want the smile to be longer. You could just pick up that blood and add more to the smile and make it look a little bit bigger. And then I'm gonna wipe off whatever face paint we got extra on our skin, add some more blood, just little details, kind of look evil, gory, bloody girl. We wanna look crazy. And then I'm gonna go in with the black shadow, add some more shadow to places where I want wrinkles or emphasized. And then with whatever's on the brush, I'm gonna add the blood on my hands. I'm gonna go in with a black shadow, make our dark circles look even darker than they are right now. And that's it, girl. We got the Joker girly-ish version. I wanted to make it a little bit different than the actual Joker, so this is my version of the girly Joker. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Click on that subscribe button because there will be many more Halloween tutorials to come.